In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the export settings in CapCut so you can get the best video quality for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or wherever you are uploading. Let's jump right in. Now once you have finished editing your project in CapCut, click on the export button right here. A pop-up window will appear. Here you can enter your file name and choose the destination folder where your video will be saved from here. Like this. Keep it wherever you want. Okay. Next you will see the resolution settings. You can choose from options like 720p depending on how high quality you want your final video. Like this. Below that is frame rate. For most videos 30 fps is a standard, but you can go up to 60 fps for smoother motion. Let me keep it 60 fps. Now once everything looks good, hit the export button at the bottom of the window and CapCut will render your video using your chosen settings. And that's how you can change export settings in CapCut. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Thank you for watching.